The curriculum now under the pragmatist approach or philosophy. The curriculum under this approach is learner-centered. It focuses on the student. It is not subject-centered. It is not teacher-centered. It is not activity-centered. It focuses heavily on the student. The pragmatist curriculum is composed of both processes and content. Because the pragmatist teachers believe in hands-on learning, in active learning, they have to provide opportunities for activities so that students learn various process skills along the way. And so the curriculum under the pragmatist approach would include both content and the process, the particular skills that the students would be required to learn as the content is covered by the teacher in the classroom. So content and process are seen as two sides of the same coin in the pragmatist curriculum and must go hand in hand. A teacher cannot say, today we will practice only, and today you have to now listen and take the information. Both the things happen simultaneously in a pragmatist classroom. All academic and vocational disciplines in an integrated and connected way. The pragmatist teacher does not like the curriculum broken down into multiple subjects. The pragmatist teacher would teach language, whether it is Urdu or English, through literature. Because you can't have literature without language. And if language wasn't there, you wouldn't have literature. So the pragmatist teacher sees language and literature going together. The pragmatist teacher would teach sciences integrated, would not teach biology and chemistry and physics and earth science and stuff like that. They would just teach science in an integrated way, because today, especially with the virtual world and all the bioinformatics and the biosciences coming up, sciences are not individual compartments to teach. Sciences are simply a discipline to teach in an integrated manner. Otherwise, you wouldn't have disciplines like biochemistry and biophysics and environmental sciences today that draws on very many independent science disciplines in an integrated, connected way to make environmental science worth its while. Problem-centered learning project method. What this curriculum does is it puts students in groups and allows them to do projects, find out for themselves. And if you don't find the right thing, that's okay, because that is how scientists and researchers work. When they start a research project, they don't know the correct answer at the end. So after a few months or a year of doing all the work, if the results appear to be negative, that's not the end of the research, but the beginning. How can that be fixed? What could be done so that the results will be different? And this is the skill that the pragmatist curriculum offers students, to make decisions for themselves, to find out what methods will work in a certain way, what methods won't work in a certain way, how many students will be involved, how many surveys or questionnaires are they going to do. It allows them to be independent. It allows them to work based on their experiences and learn from it. Obviously, they could always repeat a process, do it again with the increased information and knowledge that they now have about the particular issue that they were trying to work with. These people can obviously work independently, because even researchers, even if they are working in a group, some work is done independently, then they come together, they talk about it, they discuss it, and they take their individual assignments back with them and come back again. So this back and forth movement between working independently and working as a group is helpful to students under the pragmatic curriculum. Child interests to be considered in the curriculum, varied needs, interests leading to different curricula. What does the child get excited by in school? And that is what the pragmatist curriculum would look at. What is it? The same thing cannot interest 30 different students in a classroom. So What do we as the pragmatist curriculum developers do if we are developing a curriculum for a varied student population with varied needs, varied interests, varied desires, and varied means of accomplishing things?